Hi there. This video is about the Spanish counting system, numbers 0 to 30. We'll start with repitan. That means repeat. I'll say the number in Spanish, and then you'll repeat after me. Here's how it works. I'll say cero, you'll say cero. Then I'll say uno, and you'll say uno. That's it. Ready? Repitan, por favor. Cero, uno, dos, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. Practice this section until the numbers start to feel comfortable and predictable. You'll know you're ready to move on when repeating starts to feel easy or even a little boring. Remember, it's normal to make mistakes. Just fix them and keep going. Now for the second half. This time, I'll say the number in Spanish, and you'll say it in English. Then we'll flip it. I'll say the English number, and you'll give me the Spanish. Here's how it sounds. I say cero, you say 0. Then I say 0, and you say cero. Let's do it. Cero, 0, uno, 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. Great work! With steady, short practices, these numbers will start to feel natural. You're off to a strong start. Hasta luego! See you later!